An2 Addy Sparky met Busy Signal, and he gave him a pretty good advices about his career. This is what he said.
They talk about you.
Yeah.
Music. Continue doing it. Yeah. Continue doing it. Never stop doing it. Yeah, we all started out somewhere. Never stop doing what you're doing. Whereas people talking, that's a good thing. Never stop doing it. No matter what. If you feel sick, do it. Your girl is home and she wants some. Put off the fuck and continue doing music. You get back to that. Yeah, man. Do that. Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah. Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, man.
Respect. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Picture, video. Pick up them brothers.
That was the first time when I was young. I was younger.
Just because remember
So Busy is a superstar, not only an artist, you know. Big
Legend.
Superstar. Our moving up. Never your back it's going back. Push! It's going up. Respect. I will not stop it. We're not stopping. Respect.
Always up, always up.
Respect. Man.